Hey! Get it? What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. We're finally getting to some of the really cool details. We've got some UFP edge ceiling material going up. We've got some white prime trim going up. We've got an accent wall, the whole thing. We'll walk you through it as we go. Make sure you hit subscribe. Stay tuned.
Yeah.
What you doing?
Installing some UFP thermal modified tongue and groove ceiling material.
What's with this visible seam?
Oh, this one?
That one.
Caulk. We're caulking and painting. No, so this collar tie and this one, we're gonna do faux beams with it. We pack these out. We're gonna wrap them with 1x material, and that same width continue up the roof and down the roof. So it's gonna look like a letter A when it's finished. We're just gonna do those two, and these other three, we're just gonna wrap with 1x. So it made it really easy that our cuts didn't have to be nice because it's not gonna cover it up.
Very nice.
All right, we got our ceiling going up.
Let's address why your voice sounds like this first.
I don't know. I'm not sure. I feel fine. Anyway, we got all the UFP edge up on the ceiling. We didn't have a lot of issues with having to bend it into place. They came really nice, straight, consistent, so it went up like a breeze. And now, check this out. We wanted to just tie in these soffits with the same look. I already freaking love it. I love the white on this Lost Trail color. I think the combo is dynamite. Just wait till we start wrapping these beams. You can see we've got it built out a little bit. We're gonna have kind of like a faux truss, and trust me, it's gonna be freaking awesome. Good job, guys. You guys killed it. Jose, good job on the cuts. Beautiful. Tom, good job. Let's go, it's time to go to war. What are we doing?
Building an accent wall.
Accent wall over here?
Right there, yeah.
It's gonna be sick. Belt on day. You got your belt on?
I got my belt on.
You ready to go?
Yep.
All right, let's go. What are you working on there?
Trimming out this window. I kind of feel like Spider-Man sitting on the wall like this. It looks good. Look at that one.
Good job on that. Sound like that.
It sounds like
Whoa. You're probably wondering what the heck I'm doing over here. Well, it's a good question. We're doing a feature wall over here, and I do have right here. Can you see that?
Yep.
So I drew out the wall to scale with the windows, and till I was happy with this random layout. And now all I'm doing, I got my first piece up. It starts basically right in the corner. It comes over about 4 feet, so I just made a mark. I put the piece up there, temped it, and then just traced my lines, got them on the miter saw, good to go. So this might take a little while, but I think it's gonna be pretty cool. It should be pretty cool.
What do you think? No opinion?
Huh?
I said, what do you think?
Me? Of the wall?
Yeah.
Be a feature.
What'd you say? It's gonna be pretty cool?
It'd be pretty wild.
Trying to nail these into a stud wherever I can, where I can't. I'm just gonna do 2 nails, angle them into each other. So It's gonna hold it in there nice and good.
You got your horse back yet?
No, I'm like a pony today. A little horse. We got our accent wall pretty much wrapped up here. Looks freaking beautiful. What do you think?
I think it looks pretty great.
What do you think's cooler, this wall or my voice?
The wall.
Okay, that must be pretty cool then. So we just did a random pattern. You saw how we sketched that out, and we'll get it all caulked in. It's all gonna be white. Next step here, we're gonna be trimming out our beams. It's gonna have like a faux truss look. It's gonna be awesome, trust me. You're gonna hop on the beams?
Yep.
Do you want a cut man?
No.
No?
I don't need one.
Okay.
Do you want to be my cut man?
I will be whatever you need me to be. If you need a cut man, I'll be your cut man. But it's up to you. No, you good? Okay. He's the best.
What are you doing?
We are starting to wrap these collar ties with some 1x material to make them look like a nice faux bee. Even though it's a faux beam, they actually really are doing something. But yeah, we're just gonna put some prime 1x on them, box them out, paint it white. That's it.
It's gonna be sharp.
Well, we have the accent wall done, we have the ceiling done, we're almost done with this trim. We're waiting on a couple components for the heated floor system so we can tie up this wall, then we'll be able to tie up all of our trim that dies into it on this side, but it's looking freaking amazing. You'll have to wait for the next vlog to see us tie this all up, finish this interior trim, but I can promise you it's gonna look amazing. We're also ready to start on this patio, so make sure you hit subscribe. Stay tuned, and until next time, this is Premier Outdoor Living.